underneath we have these rings with numbers on them.
Okay.
And they correspond to these claws with numbers on them.
Lovely.
And then these ribbons are anchored to the zip, so that especially on the stretch ones, you don't want it like pulling too much.
Yeah.
So that's all the anchors.
Okay.
And pretty much you just start at one end. So there's 7, and then you know when you've got to the end.
Yeah. So start at 7 and end at 1. Yeah.
Yeah. Or start at 1.
Yeah.
Whichever works. Spin, test it out.
Do a little boogie.
It's all the same, but up.
Yeah, great.
Lovely.
No, that's lovely. It's a perfect height off the ground.
Yeah, it's